my channel Haitian Dining with Mary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rice and beans, also known as Diri. But before we get started, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients: 8 cups of water, 1 cup dry beans, 2¼ cups jasmine rice, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1½ tablespoon Haitian EPIS, 1 tablespoon regular butter, and 1 tablespoon lily butter, 1 packet chicken bouillon, 5 cloves, 1 green hot pepper, parsley, and thyme. Now I'm washing the beans twice to take out any particles and dirt. Now I'm adding the beans to the boiling water and let it cook for 1 hour and 10 minutes. After the beans has been cooked, now I'm going to saute the beans. Now I sauteed the EPIS for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the beans and stir it. After 4 minutes, I add in the coconut milk. Now I'm adding the rest of the ingredients. After I add all the ingredients, I let it simmer for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the water from the boiled beans in the pot. Now I'm adding the butter. Now I'm going to taste it to see if it needs any salt. Need a little bit of salt. Now I'm adding a sprinkle of garlic salt. Now I'm washing the rice 3 times until the water runs clear. Now I'm adding the rice and let it simmer until the water is evaporated in medium-high heat. I put a fork right in the middle of the pot to see if the rice is enough or if the water is too much. It's enough now. I test it again and I see it needs a little bit of salt. After the water has been evaporated, I will put the heat on low and let the rice cook for 30 minutes. Now I'm removing the hot pepper, cloves, parsley, and thyme. This is the final result. Now I'm gonna taste it to see if it's really good. This is delicious. This is the final product. Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Bye bye.